Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of the new, I think it came out like a month or so ago, 2024 Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G. So this is the 5G version, the better version of them. It gives you a little bit more power along with 5G. That's what it comes with. Of course, I want to show it off just a second here. So here in the US, this is $400. I'm sure this will be on sale in time, like the last year's ones are basically always on sale. That's the thing about Motorola phones, they go on sale all the time, and they're decently priced. You get your USB Type-C cable in here and your SIM card ejector tool in there. Nothing too awesome. No charging brick with these guys. This is something like caramel latte or something like that color. Really funky looking color. Alright, so that is a really cool looking phone. I don't know how well the camera picks this color up. Just gonna get a bit more light on it. That is really cool looking. It has like vegan leather to it. Hope you guys can see the texture in there. That is a really cool looking phone for $400. Decent size. It definitely has a little bit of chunkiness to it. Nothing bad. Just it definitely feels more premium than maybe it really should. So volume rocker, powered button. We have our stylus right here. Nothing too fancy, just basically a basic stylus. For the most part, the tip is quite funky. I don't know if y'all can see the tip on there very well. It has a funky tip on it though. And that is, of course, the main point of this phone. The biggest thing about this phone is going to be that stylus. We have a speaker, USB Type-C, mic. Actually has a headphone jack on it still. So that is cool. It'll be your SIM card can go in there. Another mic. And you have your 50 megapixel camera, your flash, and the other camera. Camera is up there. And I really want to say how cool this back feels. I know personally I put cases on all my phones that I actually keep and use, but this makes you want to not put a case on it. It's a really cool feeling. And it is a little bit on the thicker side. Nothing too bad, but it is definitely a little bit thicker than some other phones are. But it feels really good in the hands though. I mean, it feels like more like a premium phone. I believe this has a 6th Gen 1 in it, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, and 8 gigabytes of RAM, I want to say, for $400 or so. You guys correct me if I'm wrong on that. But yeah, so this is just unboxing. It's really cool looking. Just unboxing. Stay tuned for a bunch of videos to come on this phone, along with the new Edge as well. I also bought that one today. Bunch more videos to come. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next.